Hey, hey, go sit with daddy. You got the new jammers too? Wait, guys, she's working. She's working, guys. Oh, oh. Juling, can you get the wipes and wipe her face? Oh, give that to daddy. That makeup. So you know what, Jade? Angie is doing keto. Angie, she's doing keto because uh what do you call this? She got so acne so fast. So, but then when she start the keto, no, she doesn't have the burst of acne. Her face really. But Jade is. That's why the doctor was saying no. Yeah, yeah, sugar. Yeah, yeah. My age, anak. Oh yeah. So just she's just 3 years older than me. Oh, your dad? What's the third floor? I thought there's other one on the floor. You did that? You were jumping with daddy earlier. Why it's empty? How come it's empty? Oh wow. Yeah, I found it. Do you wanna go for display now? Are you gonna sell all that? No, man. I think you're gonna sell it. Somebody will buy it. Can we buy it? Oh, Jolene, 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 Jolene. Okay, next. Next. Who's next?